much speed as he twists and turns our aircraft in that recovery, diving for a whole lot of airspeed. We're looking for what we call smash in the air backbone. Straight up into the sky, rolling the airplane as he goes. This aircraft has a roll rate of over 400 degrees per second. Skids it left, skids it right. Flips the airplane over its nose as he begins to snap roll the aircraft right back down. Twist it the other way. You're looking at the bottom side of the airplane right now. That's right, kids. You saw a French end of airplane 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 4-point hesitation roll on the upline. Well, there's a little thing like gravity that starts to take over, and just before he runs out of airspeed, he kicks in that hard left rudder, and over he goes, and heads back down towards the ground. Now snap rolling the airplane as he goes. Rolling it one way, rolling it back the other. All right. I'm tying my cookies right now. During this performance, you will see maneuvers that go up to plus 12 G's. That's 12 times the force of gravity. If you want to know what that feels like, just get 5 of your 200-pound friends to sit on your chest, and that's exactly what it feels like. Upside down, rolling upright, diving for that airspeed once again. Needs all that energy to perform that. There's an AT pull-up, rolling one way, rolling out the other as he goes high into the clear blue. Over the top, looking at the top side of the airplane as he reverses direction. Rolling back the other way. He continues to roll. He loves to keep this airplane rolling, banking, climbing, and so on. Look at those wingtip vortices coming off the wings. He is really pulling hard G as he climbs up into the sky there, rolling the airplane again, pushing over, bunting over, and rolling as he goes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do you think of Pete McLeod so far? There you have it, a half-human turnaround to get him turned around, pick up some airspeed, and keep the performance in that aerobatic pod.